Is this right here is like a built up product. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, so for today's video, I'm gonna be doing my dirty hair. I don't know about you guys, but there's a lot of times where, like, especially like as a natural girl, it's wash day, or even like honestly 2 days past wash day, and I'm just doing a lot and I have a lot of things to do and I have an appointment and I gotta be out at a certain time. I don't have time to wash my hair, deep condition, wait for it to dry, do everything, you know, like I just don't have that time, sis. I have to quickly do my hair so I can make the appointment and go do what I gotta do. And don't judge me because this happens to everybody, but I'm gonna finesse it and give you some tricks so no one can tell that your hair is actually dirty. Okay, so ooh, sister. So this is my dirty hair. It might not look that dirty, but I did not wash my hair. Today is March, when I'm filming this, today is March 11th. The last time I washed my hair was February. This right here is like a built up product. Scalp is like dry. But the first thing I do on a dirty hair day is I get rid of any like product that might be around the edges of my hair. This is like 2 weeks of like edge control and eco styler gel. For my girls who use like got to be on your edges and stuff, you can do this as well. I would just suggest first using oils, like any type of oil you might have, and like going over your edges. But you want to take like a bristle brush or like a fine tooth comb, and I take that bristle brush and I literally brush the product out of my hair. Don't do this like on dry product. Please use oil first. Just gonna take the brush and literally brush out that product. TMI, I'm sorry, but like this is like the edge control, if you can see, like coming out of my hair. Now that that is done and our edges no longer look crusty dusty, we're gonna go ahead and do what I call a treatment. Right? So basically at this point of time, if you haven't washed your hair in a long time and you're like me, and sorry sis, but like you sweat from your head when you sleep, your hair might not smell the best. What I do is I actually take a conditioner that I love the smell of, and I use this to kind of like revamp the smell of my hair. What I'm using is the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. It's just the blue one. Like I want a perfume that smells like this because it just smells. That did not just happen. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was traumatizing, but we're gonna move on. I'm gonna take like a little tiny bit of conditioner, put it all around my hands, and I'm gonna start right here because this is where like most of the scent comes from. And I'm just gonna like go through my scalp and kind of like place that. I'm kind of like gonna go through my hair and like place that closest to my scalp. We're just doing this for the smell. But since my hair is already dirty and oily and like not the best, I'm going to add more oil to my hair just because, you know, it's just good for your hair. You know, oil that I can recommend is this Argan Oil of Morocco, extra penetrating oil for dry, coarse hair. And I love this oil. I use this for pretty much everything. Also, this is gonna make your hair look really sleek and shiny if you are doing like a bun or anything like that. It's gonna make your hair look really healthy and put together. So now that we got our hair looking all shiny and dandruff and crustiness gone, we're gonna slick it down. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer. we're gonna go in and fix these edges, girl, and put more product on our hair. I'm using the Eco Styler Gel and olive oil. Just go into those edges, girl.
Going up smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
Now that we have our edges down, I'm gonna take my satin scarf.
Open up.
And now, while this is kind of like setting in and curating and, you know, doing all the good stuff and sleeking everything down, you can take this time to do whatever else you have to do. Okay, so now after a few minutes, you're just gonna take it off and everything should be sleek and slicked down. Yes, girl, yes. Ooh, dirty hair where? Last step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of oil again and I'm just gonna run this through my ponytail. So again, my hair looks just healthy and shiny. And now you have a nice sleek ponytail and no one can tell that your hair is dirty. I hope these little tips and tricks definitely help you guys out. Definitely tell me some tips and tricks you guys have on days when your hair can use a little love. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.